everyone, welcome to Sign With Me. Today we're going to learn our colors. Are you ready to learn your colors? Let's start with red. Take your finger and put it up to your lips like lipstick. Red. I have a red boat. Where do you see boats? In the water. In the water, you see boats. Can you row your boat with me? Get your oars. Hold on tight. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now let's do the color pink. Pink. It's similar to red, but you take a pea-shaped hand and brush your lips. Pink. I have a pink pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink. Good job. Next, let's do the color orange. Take your open hand and squeeze it below your chin. Orange. I have orange carrots. The sign for carrot is like munching on a carrot. Orange carrots. Can you point to the orange boat? You did it! Now let's do the color yellow. Yellow. You take your Y-shaped hand and shake it. Yellow. I have a yellow duck. A yellow duck. What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Can you point to the yellow boat? There it is. Now let's do the color green. Take your G-shaped hand and shake it. Green. I have a green frog. What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. Can you point to the green boat? That's right. Now let's do the color blue. Take your B hand and shake it. Blue. What do you have in your house that's blue? I have a blue airplane. Airplane. Can you point to the blue boat? Great job. Now let's do the color purple. Purple. Take your pea-shaped hand again, but this time you shake it. Purple. I have purple Play-Doh. Do you have fun Play-Doh at your house? You can make Play-Doh into any shape you want. I have purple Play-Doh. Now let's do the color white. To do white, you pull your hand out from your chest. White. What do you have in your house that's white? I have white building blocks. Do you play with blocks? I have fun white building blocks. Now let's do the color black. Take your finger and swipe it across your forehead. Black. I have a black marker. Here is my black marker. Do you color with markers? Can you point to the letters that are green? That's right. The B, H, O, and V are green. Now, can you point to the letters that are purple? The C, K, N, Q, and X are purple. Now, can you point to the letters that are orange? The A, E, J, R,
T and Z are orange. Now, point to the yellow letters. The D, G, and W are yellow. Point to the blue letters. The F, I, M, and U are blue. Great job!
Let's do a review. Red, red, pink, pink, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, purple, purple, black, black, and white. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.